How to design Shopify product pages that convert. A well-designed Shopify product page can boost conversions and increase sales. Here's a step-by-step guide to optimizing your product pages for maximum impact. 1. Use high-quality images and videos. Upload multiple high-resolution images from different angles. Add a video demonstration for better engagement. 2. Write a compelling product title and description. Keep the title clear and keyword-rich. Highlight key benefits and unique selling points in the description. 3. Optimize the call to action. CTA. Use a bold, easy-to-spot, add to cart, or buy now button. Ensure the CTA stands out with contrasting colors. 4. Display social proof and reviews. Showcase customer reviews and ratings. Include testimonials or user-generated content. 5. Improve page load speed and mobile experience. Compress images for faster loading. Make sure the page is fully responsive for mobile users. 6. Add trust signals and guarantees. Display secure payment icons. Offer money-back guarantees or hassle-free returns. 7. Use upsells and cross-sells. Suggest related products and offer bundles or discounts for higher order value. And that's all for this video. Please also note that this is not an app commercial or paid promotion, but just a tutorial on how to design Shopify product pages that converts. If you have any copyright or other inquiries, please email tutorialorabis@gmail.com. Thank you.